Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll see how to install Java JDK in your Windows machine. The First of all, open the command prompt and type Java, this command. And if you see this error, that means Java is not installed in your system. And you can also verify that from your environmental variables. You can see that if you click on here and if you click on this path variable, you can see it is not configured yet. So the Java, or it's not, either not installed or it has not been configured in your system. To download Java JDK, first you need to go to this URL and scroll down to check the latest version of JDK. And then currently it is JDK 25. And then my device is currently Windows, so I'm going to go to Windows and then I'm going to choose this one, click on download, and it will be downloaded. So once it is downloaded, just open the file and click on next and select your directory. So I'm going to use Java program files, Java JDK 25, click on next. Now it's going to ask the permissions, just click on yes. Okay, so now that Java JDK is installed, you can just click on close. Once the installation is done, now again open the environment variables, and currently we don't have anything. We'll try to add a new environment variable called Java underscore home. The value will be the path that we have installed Java. So currently the version that we have installed is JDK. So you just copy this, and then so this is what we have, and click on OK. And similarly, go to path and try to add a new variable called similar to this, but at the end you just add the bin folder and then you click on OK. So these are the two changes that you need to do after the installation is completed, and then click on OK. OK. Now we will open the command prompt and type Java hyphen version. So now as you can see, we are able to install it and then verify it again from the command prompt. So this is how you installed Java JDK into your Windows machine. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please post it in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.